Hello everyone, so this is me again, Birch Vlog. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to recondition the electric water heater. So as you can see there, so that's reconditioned already. So I'm gonna show you how to recondition. If you hear something like fireworks inside your water heater tank, so I'm gonna show you how to remove that noise. So as you can see here, so this is the heating element. So I removed the other one already. So and then this is the thermostat, and then also the wiring. So before you remove this old one, this old heating system, so just to make sure that you put it back at the same wiring. So to avoid the electric trouble, right? So I'm gonna remove this one here, then this one, then the other one. All right.
So to remove this one, there's a special tool. So this tool is only for this element. So this is a special tool, okay? Mag-on video.
All right. So as you can see, uh, this is the water calcium though. So that's the cause of noisy inside, like a popping inside, fireworks or I don't know. So I'll show you what's that. See that? Yeah, that's what happened inside. See, that's a lot. So now I have to remove that one. So using this improvised vacuum hose or tube to remove that one, I use this uh, PVC pipe here. This is a 3-port PVC, and then I put it tape together with the vacuum hose. Yeah, so it's very working. Alright, so it's clean now. It's suck already. Yeah, so no more. There's a little bit, but that's fine. Alright, so this is the water calcium here. So now I'll show you what is the water calcium. So this is the water calcium from inside the tank. Alright, it's so heavy. Yeah, it's too much heavy. Yeah. Alright. Oh my god, this is so a lot. Yeah, so this water calcium, this is causing the popping inside, like fireworks inside your tank. So when you remove this one, your water tanks guarantee no more noise. It's like a brand new. And then replace also the heating element. All heating system is replaced except the wiring. Right. Now we have to clean the thread here. Right. Now this is what I got. This is the all set replacement heating element for the water heater. So this is 30 gallons, so this is enough for that tank. Right, I bought it from Home Depot. So this costs like so alright. So to install this one, don't forget the rubber ring here. Just put it first like that. Right, this right there, and then this one like that. You don't have to put like a plumber fatty, to make sure next time if you have to replace this heating element here. So don't put any glue or fatty on it. Alright. So just to make sure next time easy to remove. And then tight very gently, not like over tight. That's it. That's it. So yeah, so this is it. So this is the wiring. All right. So this blue, it's going to here from there. So you can make a like a screenshot or take a picture before you remove your element. Okay, so just to make sure the wiring installation is still proper installation after you plug it in. All right, so that's the wiring. So that one, the top. So right, thank you for watching.